If you need to cancel a pending transaction on Robinhood, follow these steps to ensure the transaction is stopped before it completes. Step 1. Open the Robinhood app. Launch the Robinhood app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your transactions. Step 2. Navigate to your account. Tap on the account icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account overview where you can see your recent activities. Step 3. Access your pending orders. Scroll down to find the pending orders section. Here, you will see any transactions that are currently pending and waiting to be completed. Step 4. Select the transaction. Tap on the specific pending transaction that you wish to cancel. This will open up the details of the transaction, allowing you to review it. Step 5. Cancel the transaction. Look for the option to cancel order or cancel transaction. Tap on it and confirm your decision to cancel the transaction. You should receive a notification confirming that the order has been cancelled. By following these steps, you can successfully cancel a pending transaction on Robinhood. Always double-check your account to ensure that the transaction has been cancelled as intended.